Hey everybody, Ray from Hide It Mounts here, and I am joined by...
I'm Chuck, Hide It Mounts also.
Alright, and we are here with the brand new Xbox One X, all digital. I almost said X, but it's the S.
It's the S. We'll
It's
see
the
when the
S.
X comes out. But yeah.
No, they're not going to do that, are they?
I think they probably will. Who knows? But we're excited about it.
Okay.
We love new toys because this is either going to fit into our existing Xbox One S wall mount. Yay, you can buy one today.
That would be nice. That'd be convenient.
Or we get to make a new mount. I love that too. Yay of the way. Win-win.
He really just wants a new console.
Oh, I just like new toys.
Yes.
I love my job. We get to buy every new toy that's out there and make new mounts for it. And if I don't like it, my kids love it. So
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about this all-digital X1S. You're going to open, and I'm going to cheat and look at some notes here that I have about this bad boy. So it is all digital. That means no disk drive. No disk drive. No scratch discs, no lost discs, but also no trading in discs, right? But the good part, as Xbox is trying to sell us on this whole like going digital deal, is that you can take all of your games with you, all of your content, your game saves, it's in the cloud, it's there for you. One of the coolest things that I actually believe is a really good benefit to almost buy in entirely to this whole digital thing. I mean, I'm not entirely sold, but we're getting there. We're going to be there, like it or not. But you can actually pre-install upcoming games and play them as soon as they come out. No more waiting hours for it to download. So I'm pretty stoked about that. And I know our kids will be.
almost there. Sorry.
Almost there.
You're
Okay, so it sure is looking... Oh, hey, what's this? Wow, this is
It's a mute Xbox.
very exciting. Okay. So the Xbox One S all digital did come with 3 games, Minecraft, Sea of Thieves, and Forza Horizon 3, so that's pretty cool. It has 1 terabyte of storage and does have 4K Ultra HD streaming capabilities. So I don't think the regular Xbox One S had that, right?
4K streaming?
Yeah, I don't think so. I
thought they launched it with the Xbox.
with the X.
No, you know what? It was
Did
the PlayStation. The PlayStation, first generation PlayStation, did not have 4K capability. It wasn't until the Pro that they streamed 4S. Or 4K. Yes, all I know. But Xbox came out the gate, 4K right off the gate.
Okay, so they did.
Okay.
So they did. So I think this console is super great for kids, honestly. I mean, if they're into Fortnite, they don't need a disc, so who cares? You hardcore gamers, no, it's probably not for you, and that's totally fine. You're going to rock the X, and you're going to love it. Okay, so
Sure.
big thing is it the same size?
Survey says, voila, no new mounts today,
Perfect
but you can buy this one instead.
And if you do want to pick up this all-digital Xbox One S, it is $50 cheaper than the disc version, and you get the 3 games. So it's kind of a pretty good deal.
It's kind of like paying less than $100 for a console.
It is. I mean,
So,
assuming that you totally want all the games. But yes.
oh, if not, give it to a friend.
Right.
Birthday
Right.
present. Going to a party this weekend.
All right. All right, cool. So that's all we have for you guys. If you guys have any added questions about this new console, hit us up in the comments. We're happy to answer. Otherwise, thanks. Have a great day.